This competition size billiard table is absolutely beautiful. Just want to do a walk around, show you what it looks like. This was chosen because we just set this Airbnb up and we wanted something really great for our guests. This has got a slate technology, which gives it an absolutely superior surface to play on. It is so smooth. It also makes it so that this billiard table is not going to go anywhere, which is actually the one thing I didn't like about it is my daughter and I needed to move it after it was set up, and that was really hard because it was just the two of us, because it is heavy. It's close to 400 pounds, so you must be note of that. It comes with the play field all set up. You just have to put together the legs and the apron going around it, as well as the supports for the leg. It's got nice drops here. You can see the detail. It's got a 50% wool blend. It also has great rubber bumpers, which just gives good action for the balls. And it has these Canadian maple poles, which are really beautiful. It is a durable and a classic, beautiful product. So happy with it.